Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain what a source code is and will also show you how to view a web page source. What is a source code? Source code basically refers to all the components used in building a website or creating a computer program. This includes things like text, images, scripts, style sheets, media files, and so on. This is a basic web page or HTML document I created in previous videos. A web page is also referred to as an HTML document. So this is the piece of code, the HTML code that has created this basic web page. And if you look on the page, we've also got images. We've got image, not images. We've got an image, and this image here obviously is part of this web page. So if someone sees this page and they ask me, can I have the source code for this web page? So what I'll need to do basically is give them the project folder, which is this folder here. This here is what I would have to send to them, or make this folder available for download, or I can compress it using a software compression tool like WinZip, WinRAR, or 7-Zip. Make it compressible so that it is easier to send via email, or we can make that available as a download. So this will be what I will send to whoever's made a request for the source code for the web page. So if I open up this folder here, it contains everything that was used to build the web page. We can see this is the index here, which is this page here. And then we've got inside the images folder, we've got the image I used, which is the image of this puppy. And we've got the other folders, although there's nothing in this script folder and there's nothing in the style sheet at the moment, but this is basically what is known as the source code, all the components you use in building your website or creating a computer program. Next, I'm going to show you how you can view the source for a web page. So I'll start with this page here. So to view the source, all you need to do is right click anywhere inside the page that is opened, and there's an option here that says view page source. So if you click on it, it opens up. As you can see here, we can see the HTML we've used to construct this page, which is this HTML here. So that's basically how to view the source for a web page. Obviously this is very simple page, but if you want to view the source for a more complicated website like Facebook or Google, there will be a lot more in here, and some of it you may not be able to read because it will contain other stuff apart from HTML as well. So this is the Google homepage. So if I wanted to view the page source for here, I'll just right click and click on view page source. You can see when it launches that there's a lot of stuff in here, but you can see just about make out the HTML, the doc type, which is there. And then you can see other stuff as well, because there may be things like advertisement and other things related. You can see this is more complicated than a very simple web page we've seen. So basically, if you want to view some of the code behind a website, you just go to the page source and you can see it. A lot depends on the programming language used. There are some programming languages that the actual source code is not displayed when you go to view page source. The actual code is processed by the backend server, and then the server returns the processed after converting it into a way the web browser can read. It then sends that back to the web browser. So sometimes you may not always be able to read what's in the page source. This is a simple website called example.com. So www.example.com. You can see it's a very basic website. If I wanted to view the page source to see how this page was constructed, I just right click and go to view page source, and you can see the page source. It tells you, you can see the HTML used to build the page. This is some CSS here as well, and here we've got some media files. So basically it shows you how the page was constructed.